In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find save files on Steam PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where Windows stores many of your Steam game saves and how to jump straight to a specific game's save location from the Steam app. Let's start in File Explorer. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or Start menu. In the left panel, go to this PC. Then open your C drive. From there, open the Program Files x86 folder, then the Steam folder, and then the User Data folder. This path is the standard place where Steam stores local save data for many titles. Inside User Data, you'll see numbered folders. One represents your Steam account, and inside it you'll find more numbered folders that correspond to each game's app ID. You don't need to know these numbers by heart. Just understand that this is how Steam organizes a lot of save files behind the scenes. If your Steam installation isn't on C, for example, you placed it on another drive, follow the same folder structure within that custom Steam location. If you want the exact location for a specific game without browsing through numbered folders, use Steam itself. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game, right-click the title, choose Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. Steam will open a File Explorer window that takes you directly to the saved files location for that game. Once you are there, you can see the files the game uses to track your progress and settings. This makes it easy to confirm your saves are present or to reference the folder path when you need it. A quick note on what you'll see. Some games store saves entirely in the user data structure you viewed earlier, while others keep them inside a dedicated folder within the game's local files. Either way, using Browse Local Files puts you in the right place for that title. If you are using multiple Steam accounts on the same PC, it's normal to see more than one account folder within user data, each with its own set of game IDs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.